Yo, what's up, guys? We're back where we left off. For some reason, I don't even know why. I just forgot. So we're in the middle of. We're restarting. We're actually gonna restart just to make this feel like we're doing a new video. All right, now we're gonna run this back. All right. What's up, guys? Today we're playing Insurgency Sandstorm with my dripped out character. Are you ready? Cause I sure am. Let's go and go kill some. Let's go kill some terrorists. While I do, and let me. Okay. Alright. Don't ask what these noises are hearing. Right now I'm about to upload the video from the last video that I made. That was pretty epic. The last Insurgency Sandstorm video. As I'm recording this, it's also uploading. And let's go, cause I'm also the commander. As you remember from last time, cause I am just built like that. I am just too good, and that is just how things are gonna be from now on. Cause I'm just too good, man. Anyways, as I said, we are going to be using this. We have our gas mask, our knife, we have everything we need, and we're in the snow. I actually don't think we have what we need, but it's fine. We're ready, and we're ready to go kill some terrorists again in Insurgency Sandstorm. Are you ready? Please go watch my Black Ops 2 video, cause I wasted 5 hours on it. And I accidentally deleted the video, so I can't go and cut it. But it's fine, cause I don't really care for cutting it, cause I spent way too. It's probably gonna take way too long. Way too long. Let's go.
They're coming!
Nice one, we got Alpha!
This area is clear! Wait, they're coming back! They're going to attack!
Go.
They're Alpha!
Oh, that dude's dead. Oh, his leg came off! Yo, this game does have roar. Oh, yo, who's shooting me? Oh, no, Jesus Christ! No, oh, God. Yo, oh, come on. Oh, he's dead. Yo, he's dead. Alright, come on, we're good now. Oh! Come on. I'm gonna go, man. Jesus, gonna finish that dude off. Oh! He's AFK! That dude was AFK, and he was an NPC too. How is he an NPC AFK? They're all NPCs, so they're actually all bots. So it's cool. Jesus Christ! I just wasted that dude. Oh, come on, go down here. I'm heading back in. Oh, Jesus Christ, we're under fire. We're under heavy fire.
We're still here, you fuckers!
Heavy fire.
Hey, brothers, check in!
Jesus Christ, there's so many dead people.
I'm over here, I'm okay!
Oh, I see that guy over there. Get him. No, Jesus Christ. No, Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ.
No! I need a radio right now!
Oh, God. God, 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 God. Good, crawl. Oh, Jesus, I tried crawling. I tried to crawl and then I got killed. I tried to crawl and then they just BAM! In the head, man.
Move!
Right in the head.
Enemy up ahead!
It caught me. Then I was dead forever. So like that kind of sucks. Alright, come on. Can fly.
Get back!
Go, 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 get me. Yo, by the open fire. Go, go, go. Is this dude dead? Yeah, he's dead. Oh yeah, I wasted that too. Oh. Yeah, come on. Come on, yo. I'll plant bombs. I'll plant bombs. Just cover me. Yo. Cancel the bomb. Go. I think I killed my teammate. Come on, let's go.
Shit! Watch out!
Oh, Jesus Christ. Yo. I'm gonna get everyone over here to see me. I think it's just me and this guy. I think everyone else is dead or something. Something must have happened. I just don't know what. Alright, come on, let's raid this house. Raid.
Okay, I'm on Charlie.
I'm just trying to stay in here as long as possible. I don't like to die. And so far we've lasted a pretty long time. So if we can get captured. Oh, Jesus Christ. Why am I losing it? Who's here? Who's in this house? Who's in the house with me? Who's in this house? Oh, I'm dead. They got me. Oh, they shot me. Where's my teammates? They have shotguns and stuff. The dude with the shotgun just pop. He just killed me.
Move! Okay.
It had to be that dude with the shotgun. They have like the whole army in there. There's like five guys in there. They're like 5 guys on top of me. And then hey yo, I'm gonna have to cut that out of the video. Yo, chill. I can't say stuff. That was an accident. Come on, throw flash. Let me throw a flash.
Enemy! Target spotted!
Oh shit!
We captured Charlie! Objective clear! I'm up! Ah, fuck! There's more of them!
Go. Yo. Let's go this way. Oh my god. I don't wanna die here, man. Gotta be careful. Although I have a pistol though. I shouldn't have a pistol out right now. Don't worry. Very important time.
We have enemy!
Count the shot!
Go stay around this area. Just defend. Oh, Jesus Christ! Empty the mag. I just emptied that whole mag. Okay, come on, reload, hurry up. I just emptied a mag on this dude. I can't afford. I can't keep doing that. I keep emptying mags. Oh Jesus! Go, brother, get him! I got him! Shot him. I just pop. Didn't even see him. But he is dead.
I think that's all of them. Let's go, yalla. Are we all okay? No problems, Habibi. Give me a second, Yahi.
Come on. I just killed one of them. Okay. Oh, Jesus Christ! Oh, I'm dead. They got me. I don't think I can die another time. If I die another time, I think I'm done. Oh, good. Oh, good. Come on. Let's go. Oh, these cars are burning and stuff, dude. Bunch of fires, grenades everywhere. There's a bunch of exploding.
Throwing grenades!
Throw grenade over here. I think I hit one. Oh, yeah, that dude's dead. I saw that. It didn't explode on him. Come on, let's go. Yo.
Okay.
We got him.
What is wrong with you?
Okay, come on, shoot him. Let's shoot him. Oh, Jesus Christ! Yo! I gotta get this guy. I'm gonna shoot this guy. I don't want no trouble with him. Got to kill him. I'm trying to kill him. Because I don't want no trouble. I don't want trouble with him. Why every time I'm reloading, there's like a couple guys that come over here. Oh, yo! What just happened? Why is there fire? Jesus Christ, yo! Why is there a fire? Yo! There's fire! Fire over here, come on. Yo, gotta go this way, Yo, there's fire over here too! Yo.
Wait! Hang on!
There's some other guys over here, I think. The other guys over here. Ah! Yo, I'm burning! I'm burning. This guy's dead. Oh, Jesus Christ, I'm dead. He shot me. I saw him at the last second. He went poo. He with a pistol. He had a little pistol.
Move! I killed them all myself!
Yo, his pistol was tiny. Not gonna lie. Hey, yo. No, just. I didn't mean it like that. Alright, we gotta go to Echo and then Foxtrot. Yo.
I'm throwing a grenade!
Go! Grenade! Is that my teammate's grenade? I think it might have been. You trying to assassinate me?
Observer, this is station. You have fire support available to you when you want. Let the commander know.
Here comes a bottle bomb! Hey!
Oh, God!
Hostiles!
Look out! Step back! افتح النار!
I killed that guy. I'm dead.
We're capturing Echo! I need to...
Oh my god! Their arms and legs are gone! I think it's actually just their... I think it's just their arms, yo. That's crazy. Oh no, yeah, it's the arms and legs. And this guy lost his arm, too. Yo, it's crazy, yo. I killed 2 guys.
Echo secured
Thought it was
إخوة!
just
We took
one.
Echo! Clear!
And that guy was in the back. So he's still dead. He was already dead. But his body was in the back, though. So, like, he wasn't still deformed. Oh, yo.
Wait, I'm fast!
What? He just threw it! He just threw a grenade at us! He just threw a grenade at himself! There's a Molotov on the floor. And then I died. Someone shot me.
Let's go! Let's get over there! Okay, okay. Go!
Hurry up! Go, 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 go. Good to go. Really run. Run as fast as you can.
Damn it! Damn it! Lost Echo!
That was only round 1. And we ran out of time to record, man. That was the end of the recording. If you guys like this, then yeah, just like the video. Thank you. Watch my Black Ops 2 video and subscribe to Chris OnlyFans.